Today we're discussing about that the last class we discussed about the security services, you have confidentiality, integrity, and authentication, non-reputation as control, and that you have continuity of integrity. The ensuring the data is accurate and has not been the tampered with that. Suppose that the product prevent unauthorized accidental data modification. What are the methods we have to follow? It means we have to fix some and hashes and digital signature, version control on audit logs. If the example, if the file is uploaded to the cloud, the hash value is stored. If the file is later modified, the hash change is indicating potential tampering. Authentication, here the verifying the identity of users and devices and systems before the granting access. The purpose is to ensure that the entity requesting access is who they claim to be. So what are the methods? We have the passwords and biometrics. For example, fingerprint, facial recognition, multi-factor authentication, digital signature. Example, we have the user logging into the cloud dashboard. Must enter a password and that one-time code sent to that phone. And on reputation, we have the ensuring that a party in a communication can't deny the authority of that signature and action and propose to provide the proof of origin, integrity, and the receipt of data. So what are the methods? Means we have the digital signature, timestamp records, logging and auditing. When a user signs a digital document using that private key, it creates a digital signature that can be verified and the user as a proof of action. So access control, we have the restricting access to resource based on the user roles and permissions. So what are the purposes? To limit access to information and the resources to only authorized users. For types means we have the discontinuing access control. For access types assigned by the owner. Mandatory access control, we have the access based and fixed security labels. And role based access control, we have the access based on user roles. In a cloud HR systems, only HR staff can access the employee records, while other employees can only view their own data. And basics of cryptography, we have the cryptography science of securing data by converting into a form that unauthorized user can't understand. It plays a vital role in confidentiality, integrity, authentication, brand reputation. The conventional cryptography, we have that use of the same secret key for the both encryption and decryption. What are the key components? We have the both sender and receiver must share the secret key securely. Example, we have the use the DS blockage. For the pros and fast and efficient for large data volumes. Cons, we have the key distribution can be challenging and insecure over the open network. And publicly, we have that since the key is a pair of keys and public key for encryption and private key for decryption. The key concept we have that can be shared openly only for a private key must be kept secret. We have that algorithm or and the elliptical eGAML which solves for the key distribution problem. Cons, we have slower than the symmetric method typically used for encryption key or small data. So hash function here the only of functions that converts into fixed size hash value or digits. For key property inversible deterministic collision resistance for the two different inputs should be that product and same output. For example, we have that MDI and SHI SS256 use case integrity checking and digital signature and password hashing. And authentication, we have the verifying that the person systems is who they claim to be in cryptography, often only using the digital certificates and the password and cryptographic. Public infrastructure helps the application network. For example, server uses a digital certificate to prove its identity user. In the digital signature, we have that cryptographic technique used to verify the authenticity and integrity of messages, documents, and files and send cited message in the private key and receiver verify the user send the private key or features we have to provide authentication ensure integrity and enables non-replication. For example, when you sign a PDF or a digital certificate, we have to provide for that approved its content. So these are that integrity concepts security services. Five major things. One is the confidentiality, integrity, and the authenticity, non-revision access. So after this secondary service is over, we have the continuity for the next unit on the next video. Thank you.